Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Germentisi Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay, Quezon the First. I'm not yet done on talking on Mingel. There is 2023. Why is it being turned on year 2022 even though it is year 2023? Year 2022, what is being emphasized is the kabit number 2, but the feeling is mine. Ang weird. Could you not think of that? Or could you understood me? Or is my talking understandable? Myself is being heard of a specific person of which is getting my feeling. They is killing me. On the use of black magic, they is killing me. They is putting heart pain illness on myself even though myself is healthy person. They is on the right ear, right eye. They is erotic on my feeling. Even a girl gender is erotic on my feeling. And then that is not positivity, there is negativity. I am afraid I am doing camera video at the moment because I am afraid there is voice on my ear. Yung this putting the sound on my ear. Focus ako. They not want me to focus on talking about Minkel. Kabit number 6. Ew. Kabit number 6. Kabit number 6. Oh my god. I not want to talk about a while ago. I need to say about Minkel so that it could be already finished. The word Minkel. I am married already, that I should be happy. They're doing is so bad. What else could I say? What is being emphasized on Mingle is conversation on Mingle is Wilson. When it comes onto Wilson, Corina it is. Corina. Not Corina. I not want to say the name of the person. I talked to that person on Mingle. And then, Corina is the person that talks to him due to I holding a baby of neighborhood. Why I hold the baby of neighborhood? I am on excitement to have a baby year 2016 pa lamang. During year 2016, my feelings already is wanting to have a baby. So what myself during year 2017 holding a twin is excitement to have a baby. Oh my god. He is removing my feeling, oh. My feeling of wants to go at mall, market mall when I already have a baby. Very wrong is what they're doing. I not want Rachel Ang. They is removing my feeling, but that is my feeling. I am energetic person. They is bad person talaga. When I have a baby, I will myself thinking process wants to go at mall because there is aircon, there is store. I will go wherever I want to go. With my baby. I not hold my baby. What else could I say? That is baby. What month it is? April, May, or June? April, May, or June month of year 2023. 2023, that is. I could yes ka. I need help. I not want other person. Nandidiri ako. Nagbubok camouflage. Nandidiri nga ako sa bubo camouflage. Nakakadiri. Totoong kadiri. And then I will talk. Not on such this. Stay away from me. And then, if I not socialize, I not socialize. If I socialize, I will socialize to those person I like. What else could I say? Here. Is there any up to date already about the selling of on my chest? I don't know. This country is super wide. House of my father is. My, I wanted America. At America, myself is being treated as a person. Naon in. I will talk. Habit number 6, I will talk. My vibes at the moment is not my vibes. Why? Because of the word snapper. The person does not want me to talk. Yeah. Facial expression niya. I need to talk. Then I'll talk. And then the Wilson is year 2023. When I am holding a baby, Alex Jr. ko, when I am holding a baby, when I am holding a baby, I, Corina get the laptop and then Corina is the person that is being, having a conversation to that person. And then, mm, nauntim. And then, oh, and then, I will talk. The kabit number 6, oh, papansin, tends to be noticed, wants to be noticed even though I not want. Kakadiri sarili mo. And then the next is, what else is the next? Naon, yeah. Ang landi nila, there is flirtuous. I will talk. And then, what else it is? After that, year 2023, I cite the WhatsApp number but I not write it. Feeling. The feeling during that moment is Mrs. Mrs. what? Left eye. When I say Mrs. Left eye, the left eye misses. The left eye feeling is Mrs. So if it is left eye, sightseeing, Mrs. Mrs. is English word and Tagalog word. Namimiss. Sabik makita. Such that. Sabik makita. Excite on sight to sight. Excitement to sight. That is the Mrs. description. Excitement to sight the person. Ngingiti ako, but I want to talk. College degree, Alex ko. When it is being slapping on it, that is so very wrong. Not hurt myself. Next, that is year 2023. And then, what month it is? What month? Oh my god. I am talking about the 7 year of Black Magic, year 2017 onwards. And then what they're doing is copying me, which is getting of mine. Grabe. else could I say? I am thinking at the moment the month, but my talking is on year 2023 about Mingle. Mingle is year 2023. Pops up. Yeah, Kadiri. Kadiri is kabit number 2. Pops up. I am comfortable at the moment on the mingle person. No, no, no. Hmm? No, I am comfortable. Why I am comfortable? I am with Alex Jr. ko. I not want to talk about it. Ba't ba kayo nangingialam ng relasyon? May baby kami ni Alex. Ba't kayo nangingialam? Sa bagay, kabit ay kabit. Kabit number 6, face trends. Puro sila face trends. Precious Crucendico, Kaloka Life. Kabit number 1. Nagpaparamdam yung mga baby namin tapos wala ka pa ring ginagawang backward. Kabit number 6. Grabe ang tindi mo. Could you not think of that? Even my baby boy is already, baby boy, tahimik ko. Not know yet. But they is on such as nagpaparamdam tends to be noticed because of the kabit is pops up on my right eye. At the moment, a while ago naman ngayon. Kabit number 2 is putting the situation on destroy even though the situation of my life is on goodness of such as pampering and relaxation and then happiness of which is being removed is the happiness. Diyos ko, nakakaloka naman gawain yung kadiri. Daw kadiri. I'll talk now. Oh, strategy of them, technique there is. Strategy. What it is their strategy? Not sabog. At the moment I am talking, the kabit number 2 is uses black magic. Yan, pag ganun siya meaning to say, from right eye, she is getting the memory on the left forehead. Oh, look, huh? What is being shown the right eye? They getting the memory from the left forehead of which is panaginip. So myself is such as being copying of lifestyle, of which is that lifestyle should be mine, of which is myself is being killed. This is how they is killer. I need help from other country. On my memory, Alex and Diamantisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First, is included. Am I being understood? So it is not such as only such this myself. There is a doing of wherein I am with Alex Jr. ko. That is the problem. The right eye is getting that moment from the left forehead, and then being look, being get the feeling. I need to talk because I have baby exists. Kabit number 2 is from University of Philippine Kadiri. Yun lang, Alex. Oh. That is my thinking process. But I want to have a baby. Focus is me. Mingle. There is none. When it is, it pops up, the person pops up on my mind. Precious Cruci Kabit number 1 is looking as well on my mind during that moment. Yan. It is such as a fast mode talking. The reason why Catholic Church is such that because of those person that pops up on my right eye. It says, I've talked now about pops up. Wait lang. I want to say the word, wait lang. Ayos ka. I am not only studying. Never. I am on Killing of Them, 7 year of Black Magic, and then I study year 2019 to year 2022. So this doing of them is getting of what is mine because of they know that I will, that I have insight that I will right? If myself is together already with Alex Junior ko, or together or companion already of Alex and Jementisa Junior ko, kadiri kayo. They is putting brain cancer on myself. Diyos ko. I truthfulness not want on this on this situation of myself. Lover ko, Alex ko since high school. Ayan na yung sound. Bobo. Kadiri. My situation is serious. Myself is being killed on their black magic. I need help. Yeah. Iyaw pala mukha mo, kadiri kayo. Goal is goal. There is no respect. They're doing is the basis. This is killing me as well. Nakakadiri. Truthfulness is what I say. So, during year 2023, I am on a situation of I could cite a person. Ayan na, they tends to interfere on my talking. What year is that? What year? Na idea. Year 20... Year, year 2023 is I cite that person on Mingel. Wilson is the name. And then, and then, and then, during year 2024, there is person that is copying me talaga. God. My ear is on spiciness feeling. I not know why. Maybe the smoke. Myself has a moment. Smoke. The stick being put on the ear. I have a moment such that. I have a moment of such that. I have a baby to Alex Jr. ko. And then this ka, diba, they tends to interfere on my life of such as myself is on a situation of there is uh needs to do. Doon na ako kay Alex. 2024. On year 2024, I cite that person on my mind. He is on left eye talaga. Left eye. Left eye, never on right eye. Wilson, never on right eye. Left eye only is him. Kaya nga. If he is telling me a question, why? If he is on the right eye, the meaning of it is such as pops up, interfere. The word is interfere. My baby is mine. I need to talk now. So this is how they confuse me. They will put multiple problems so that myself that is what they're doing. They is putting multiple problems so that myself could not enjoy myself. I will talk. Year 2024, that is when I cite Wilson on my mind. He pops up. That person pops up. And then I am a person to person when it comes into socialization. I never uses black magic. Now, I will talk about year 2024 about that person I cite on Mingle. What he says is alogna. Alogna is a rumble word of Angola. That is the doing of myself and Alex and with Alex and Jimentisa Jr. ko during year 2017. That is why when he says alog na, myself will thinks Angola, such that. Left ear of myself says, bakit daw may singit? Na no. The next is, what else? Hmm. She, Alexandra Mentes said, the person that I said on Mingle, during year 2024, as well says, um, yepoda, chukahe, chukahe, chukahe na to yepoda. Or you say that, yepoda, then chukahe. That is Korean dialecto meaning Mrs. Na to say that. Chukahe, chukahe. Negative intelligence. They put me. Oh, no, this one. Oh my god. Year 2018. It is includes on year 2018. Myself is being put on fat mode, meaning to say my body is being put on fat mode. That is how they is so kadiri. Those person that is interferes. Those person that pops up on my right eye because of they is putting stress of them onto myself, and then they uses black magic, which is I am the person that suffers. And then that is what I want to say previous day, but I not do camera video because I want to sleep because I need to go to Pasay at this day, and then I am waiting for 10 o'clock before I go out. Go outside the house. Excuse me. And then I am seeking for help from other country that is I am seeking for help from other country that is year 2021 Miley Cyrus, and then those person that is killing me is from here Philippines, such as those number of kabit. It is already number 6. They is pervert. Why pervert? They criticize me even though I not socialize to them, even though I am just behave person here Philippine, even though myself is nothing doing bad on other person. So meaning to say what they is on this situation is crab mentality. They not want me to be on such as happy lifestyle because they is envious. That is why bad person be dead. If they cite already their deadness, that is not my problem anymore. Enviousness on lifestyle. I wish that is your cancer. And I wish you dead. Focus already is me. Daming kabit. Nakakadiri. What else could I say? What is their enviousness? The word party. Napakabobo. I am not in here on such as a growness and then talking to King. Myself in here is I know how to be happy. What they is they not want me to be happy. Those right ear and then right eye. You know why? Because of they getting something from me. The use of black magic. So meaning to say they sight of what lifestyle I have on specific surroundings. This house on Lower Bikutan is on right eye, never on left eye. That is why this moment is such as doing manipulation of a person, the use of black magic, criminal. Camellia Holmes is left eye. Ayan na. Being get of the dice ka. The right eye. What else could I say? I wish talaga they be dead. What else at least? Year 2024. Bawal sumilip ng buhay. My God, I not enjoy my life. What is they putting me is on such this I not enjoy my life. And then I am inside of the house. Alam mo ka nyo. Alam ka mo. Alam mo ka nyo. I wish talaga it happened sooner. Being slash the bad person on this situation. The bobo camouflage criminal. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 days I sight being slash the head. And then they is on Facebook being scattered. The person year 2024 tends to kill me on the use of my mother. The other being slash the head. Myself is in there. I sight them being slash the head. Myself is being killed. The person that is being slashed the head. I am with cameraman and then CNN it is. I wish it happened sooner. That is left eye. comfortable at America. I'll talk now. This doing is so harassment talaga. 35 minutes and 52 seconds. She pops and the person pops up from Mingle. Vibes of him. No vibes. What is me is effect. Effect. Then myself is being towards to Alex Jr. caught the moment. Why? Because of the word cause and effect. So from the mingled person, from the person that I cite on mingle, myself, and then I say, from the person that I cite on mingle, that I say effect, myself is being put on uh, third year high school, cause and effect, being says of Alex Jr. ko. And then, Alex, oh, merit kami ni Alex. What else it is? The mingle person name is Wilson. Ayan na. The specific, the Bobo camouflage is doing something. Yuck. Akin lang, Alex mo. The person, the Bobo camouflage of the Philippines being slash the head. When it is, I not know. That is my panaginip. And then